Laying low, no place to go.
It's delicious per usual, Mom. Well, thank you.
The muffin is very, very nice. I have not did that anywhere. It's so good in the kitchen.
I didn't prepare it.
And Shaffy Bello, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. As I would always say, I will always give you guys movies where you learn lessons. And for this movie, I have 4 basic lessons. Number 1, give your kids the space to learn and grow and flourish. Don't shadow them. Stop shadowing your kids. Allow them to make their own mistakes and be their own person. Now, the second lesson is you don't have to look down on the livelihood of anyone. This world needs balance. Not everyone can be rich, not everyone can be wealthy. For there to be balance in this world, everyone has to stick to their means of livelihood. Number 3, stop interfering in your children's lives. Ah, it's so unnecessary for you to do that. You've lived yours, let your children live theirs. Now, the fourth lesson, this is for parents and upcoming parents. Please do not pour your fears on your children. Some of your fears are based on your own insecurities. Do not pour them on your kids. Now, this part of the video is where I appeal to you to please like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment in the comment sections. Let me know when you watch the movie, what you learned from the movie, and if you enjoy the movie. Okay, bye. Mwah.